Why is it that some people are able to build highly successful online course businesses simply based on their existing knowledge and expertise while others fail? What separates these highly successful professionals, coaches, instructors, and trainers from the others? The answer to that is successful course creators win their customers. And to do that, they use sales funnels. And so if you're wondering how to go from building an online academy to get to 1000 learners quickly, you will need a sales funnel. You see, the key differentiator between a successful course creator and others is that a successful course creator has taken the time to understand how to drive traffic to their course site, understand their target customer audience really well, and know exactly what should be on their website and on ad landing pages to get prospective customers to buy their courses. And once that is done, they build a sales funnel to drive traffic to their site and sell their product. So what is a sales funnel and how you can use Nourish for it? A sales funnel is nothing but simple strategies and specific steps you take to help convert your website visitors into paying customers. So when a creator launches their online course website with Nourish, usually they would add all the information users would need to learn about, for example, the courses, the business and the creator, etc. And then they would add a lot of call to action buttons across the site, hoping customers would buy the courses, only if this was enough. You see, what happens is that when you launch your website and visitors come to your site, most users would read the information and eventually get lost in the multiple pages. Very few would actually buy anything from you. And this is where a sales funnel helps increase your sales exponentially. While there are several kinds of sales funnels, the most basic yet the most powerful sales funnel used by successful course creators is a 3-step sales funnel. Step 1. Before you can say that your website is ready, you need to make sure that the course pages have all the information needed by your prospective customers. A course page must have a short and bold headline, information about the course content, course creator, testimonials, and even the course pricing clearly listed on the page. In fact, you need to preempt the questions that a student may ask and get those answers in the course page itself as a part of the FAQs. Make sure students get all the information they need to make that final buying decision. Once the website and course pages are ready, create duplicate course pages from the Nourish dashboard and turn off the menu on these pages. This converts these duplicate pages to your ad landing pages. By doing this, it ensures that once the visitors are on your ad landing pages, they have only two options: either sign up and make the payment for enrolling in the course, or leave the site. This makes sure that the site visitors perform only that specific action that you want them to and not get lost in the website by opening other website pages. Step 3. Last but not the least, drive exponential sales with social media ads. Just launching your online academy won't be enough. If you want to drive sales, you need to spend money on running social media ads to bring traffic to your site. And when you run optimized social media ads, each day would bring in thousands of visitors to your site and increase your sales exponentially because they land on your ad landing pages. This is how a sales funnel works. Let me explain why this is important. Let's say you follow the steps and each day 1000 visitors show up on your site. Out of these 1000 site visitors, only 1% buy your course. That means you get 10 sales each day. So if each course is priced at 1000 rupees, you are now making 10,000 rupees per day. That's 3 lakhs per month that you make from your online course. And that's the best kept secret behind the most successful creators with Nourish, who are making lakhs each month. And now you know it too. So if you are a creator with Nourish, wondering how to grow your online business or thinking about launching your own online courses, this simple 3-step process can help you exponentially increase your course sales and grow your online business in no time.